Find a vertex by completing square for a function we're given y equal to minus 3x squared minus 12 minus 7. Completing square is a nasty thing for a lot of students, and it doesn't have to be. So let's go step by step, and I'll teach you some tricks along the way. So here's the answer. Answer is minus 3 times x plus 2 squared plus 5. So the vertex here is minus 2 plus 5. Okay. All right, let's get started. When we started, we have minus 3x squared minus 12x minus 7. So what you want to keep in mind is really you want to complete it. You want to get this x by itself without this nasty coefficient. The best thing to do is you're going to deal with the first two terms. Leave the minus 7 alone. Okay, when I deal with the first two, I'm going to drag the minus 3 out. So I'm basically dividing this term by minus 3. I have this perfect x squared here. Dividing this term by minus 3, I'll have a plus 4. Okay, I'm going to leave some space here, and you'll see in a little minute why I'm leaving a space here. Now I have a room for myself to complete square. In order to complete square, I need a perfect number here. Since I can't change what I started with, I better subtract this number right away. Okay, that way I didn't change anything what I had before. I have my equal sign here. That makes sense. So what I did is I put a 7 over here, minus 7. I drag the minus 3 out, and I'm going to add a magic number, subtract it right away. That's how I'm going to keep my equal sign, because I didn't change my original expression here. And the number I'm going to put in here, that's what I call magic is, what you're going to do is you're going to take whatever term you have coefficient-wise ahead of it, divide that by 2 and square it. Okay, so once again, the linear term here, linear term is the x term, the coefficient of x term. You're going to divide it by 2, square that, and put it here. So in our case, it's a 4. And the reason I'm doing that is when I regroup those 3, I have a perfect square. Everything else stays where they are. Okay, I have an x plus 2 perfect square. I have a minus 4 here. I didn't change minus 7. So every term is copied directly. Okay, the only thing I did is I refactored this one. Okay, I'm almost there. So let's open this one up, because I need to combine all those numbers. And the combine numbers is an easy step, but it's easy to make a mistake as well. So what I want you to do is picture this one as a term A, and picture this one as term B. So minus 3 gets distributed inside for each term. So the first term becomes minus 3 times A. A is really this big term. Okay, times minus 3 times the term B becomes a positive 12. Okay, that's what I have. Basically, I got this minus 3 inside the bracket. Minus 7 keeps over here. So minus 3 times x plus 2 squared, and I have a plus 12 minus 7. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to combine this. And then I have my form of x plus 2 here, and then plus 5. And vertex, when you read it from here, is this is the y coordinate. Okay, y coordinate. Now remember, vertex is just a point. So all I'm doing here is give the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the points. The second term, the constant term is always your y. So whatever you have, it's just put it there. Okay. The x coordinate is when you set this term equal to 0. Set to 0, and then you're going to solve for x. Okay. So in our case, it's minus 2. So therefore, my vertex is minus 2 plus 5. All right. Have a confident day.